Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. I want to share with you some of the skills, tips and secrets I've learned during my art journey. I've clocked up over 5,000 hours practicing the last 2 years, and I'd love to share some of the things I've learned from some amazing teachers from all over the world. Whether you're a complete beginner or an accomplished artist, I'm sure I can show you some great methods that will take your art to the next level. Why not consider subscribing to my channel and turn the notifications icon on so you don't miss anything. My goal is to show you exactly how to draw anything from realistic graphite portraits to hyper-realistic fine art, as well as some crazy cartoon work. My goal is to show you what I use and how I use it, and with some simple tips and ideas that will enable you to draw like a pro. In today's video, I'll be drawing Greninja from the Pokemon
As always,
series.
I freehanded this drawing out with pencil, and then I used my Faber Castell Pitt pen, which is a very fine line permanent marker. This allows me fantastic control over some tight areas, and it gives me a lovely even coverage. The other thing with it as well is it once the ink's dried, it doesn't smudge with the Copic markers. For the main bulk of the colouring, I used my Copic markers, and I started off with a sky blue. So the pen that I'm using at the moment is the sky blue, and you can see that I'm layering the colours with these Copic markers because they're alcohol based. What you can do is you can do a layer, let it dry, and then go over it again, either in the same colour or a different colour. And this won't smudge, it won't smear, it won't streak, and it just leaves the pigment behind. So they're fantastic for getting a very professional look to it. The lighter areas that you can see, I'm using a pale blue. And in the very lightest areas, I'm using an aqua blue. The red that I'm using at the moment around the face is called cadmium red. This is quite a bold red, and I use it an awful lot. In the pack that I've got, the Copic markers, I do have some lighter reds and some darker reds as well, and I just find I can get some fantastic gradation with that. So you can see me laying down now the aqua blue, and the lightest areas on Greninja that I'm drawing and colouring in here, I actually used a milky white. So the areas around the hands and the feet, I guess the sort of webbed feet was a milky white. This was a fantastic drawing to do. I enjoyed it. I'm really enjoying drawing these Pokemon. Thank you so much for any requests that you've sent in. My channel's doing fantastic at the moment, so I really appreciate all the support that I've been getting. If you've got any requests, then don't forget to leave them down in the comments. And I'd also like to ask you today, just leave me a comment down below. Who's your favourite Pokemon? Which is your favourite Pokemon? It can be from any of the generations, but I'm really interested to see through the viewers out there what your favourite Pokemon is. So don't forget to leave me a comment down below. You can also get hold of me on all of my social media platforms. The links to all of those are down in the descriptions below. This drawing was, like I said, fantastic to draw. It took me about 2.5 hours from start to finish, and I'm adding a comic book background now. This is really going to make your drawing pop off of the page. Make sure that you leave some parts of your drawing overhanging, like you can see with the hand and the foot on this, and this will just make sure that your drawing looks like it's coming out of the page. As always, just want to thank you guys for supporting the channel. It's been a pleasure doing these videos for you. Like I say, send me some requests of anything you'd like me to draw in future, and I'll endeavour to do them. Thanks so much for sharing, liking and commenting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you have a great day.
Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.